In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically switch slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want your presentation to move forward on its own without needing to click every slide manually, PowerPoint makes this very easy. This is especially useful for self-running presentations, kiosk displays, event screens, or any slideshow that needs to play smoothly on a timer. To begin, open your PowerPoint presentation and look at the top ribbon menu. Click on the Transitions tab. This is where PowerPoint gives you control over how slides move from one to the next, including the timing for automatic advancement. Once you're in the Transitions tab, go to the section called Advance Slide. This area is important because it controls what causes the next slide to appear. By default, PowerPoint usually allows slides to move forward when you click the mouse, but for an automatic presentation, you'll want to change that behavior. In the Advanced Slide section, uncheck the option labeled On Mouse Click. This tells PowerPoint not to wait for a manual click before moving to the next slide. If you leave this checked, someone could still advance the presentation manually, which may not be ideal if you want the timing to stay consistent from start to finish. After that, check the option labeled After. This enables automatic slide advancement based on time. As soon as you check it, you'll be able to enter the amount of time you want the slide to stay on screen before PowerPoint moves to the next one. Set the timing according to your presentation needs. For example, if a slide contains a lot of text or detailed visuals, you may want to leave it on screen a bit longer. If it's a simple title or transition slide, a shorter time may work better. Take a moment to think through the pacing of your slideshow. The timing should feel natural for the audience and allow enough time to read and understand each slide comfortably. A good tip is to run the slideshow once after setting your times so you can see whether anything feels too fast or too slow. And that's all it takes to make your slides switch automatically in Microsoft PowerPoint. Just go to Transitions, find Advanced Slide, turn off On Mouse Click, turn on After, and set your preferred time. Once that's done, your presentation will move forward on its own according to the timing you chose.